Okay, today we're going to talk about EBSCO hosts. It's a basic overview of EBSCO hosts for WSCO High students, how to access it, etc. So first off, you're going to see we're starting here at the Union High School District website, which when you log on to a computer at school, this is where it'll automatically take you. So from there, you'll need to go over here to where it says WSCO High School. Click on that. Then on the WSCO High School website, if you scroll down to the bottom, you see it says Library Media Center website. And from there, students will take you to Research Center. This is the new high school Research Center. Over here I have a number of different resources for you, but we're going to focus on are the databases. And the very first one is EBSCO host. Under it, you'll see your username and password. This is the generic account one. Now, you will need both when you try to log in. You click on it, it'll pop up over here. You can easily just come back here, copy, and paste them in right here. Mine just has it remembered. So, once you have them filled in, click Login. These are the different services that we as a school have available to us, from health. This is to select from all the different databases that are available. Student Research Center, Science, History, Literary, Novelist, Points of View. My favorite place to always go to is the Student Research Center. It kind of helps search everything. So it's kind of a base starting point. Now when you click on it, see it search by topic, include when searching all the different types. Very first thing you're going to want to do though is go up here to sign in. This is so you can create your own account. So obviously I've already created mine. You'll go to create a new account and just fill in this information. And now the reason for this is, see here, log in. You have a folder. Now when you're searching something, say I need to do a report on, let's see, Uganda. Go ahead and search it out. And I'll need stuff from the magazines. So here I have, I am what I am. So I can go add. And now if I went to my folder, and I'm going to come back to it later on, there it is. Now I can create a new custom folder, so I can have a specific one on Uganda. Report for Bellis's. Oops, sorry, Bellis. Save, and then I can move to that folder. And then if I need to go back to it, anything in here. In print, I can email this to someone else. So if I'm working with other people in a group, etc. So it's basically a good way to, when you're doing research, you need to have an account so you can come back and find work you've done. And you're constantly saving it and not just, okay, I found an article, print it out. I found an article, print it out. Also, what you can do is you can create like if you have a search that you're going to do, you have a report you're going to work on for a couple weeks, and you create a search, you can create an alert for it. So this remembers your search, and then it will update you with anytime anything new comes out that's added for that search. So if tomorrow a new article came out that dealt with Uganda, I would get notified, which is kind of a cool thing, because then you don't have to keep, okay, tomorrow, 2 days from now, you have to go look it up again. It just is automatically remembered. Now when you filter results, this is kind of a the fact that a filter appears up here is really nice. We'll get more into that, into the advanced searching ideas. But if you click up here, search other databases. Yes, I want to. Yeah, it's always going to warn you before you do anything. Like if I want to look at just Uganda under history, you click history, look under Uganda, you see I'll actually get some different results. And anytime you go into a result, you can always add it to folder like you have right here. You email it, save it, cite it, which is actually one of the cool things is with the EBSCO host, is it will give you the different citation styles all the way to some odd ones that I barely ever heard of. So your main two are APA and MLA, which all you have to then do is copy and paste. And one of the things that's tricked so far, some of the students using this, is when you click on it, you're going, okay, so I want to read it, where is the actual article to print? And you have a detailed record, and you want to come over to the side and look, HTML full text, or let's say PDF full text or HTML full text. That's really what we're going to list to. And a lot of these actually also include it being read to, which is kind of neat. Because if there's stuff you don't know how to pronounce and you're trying to give a presentation, it can help with your pronunciation. Always triggers American accent, of course. Other things to know about it is you can share it with people, including if you're Gmail, if you're working as a group. Also, one of the last things in the basic stuff we're going to cover, I want to keep this short because we're just covering basics, is anytime you want to get out, you always go to New Search, and up here is Search Other Databases to help you get out quick. That's just kind of a very basic, quick overview of EBSCO host, of how to get in, create your account, and then the basics of using it.